Imagine having a virtual assistant that can read your mind and organize your tasks and notes in the most efficient way possible. Imagine actually having enough time in the day to complete everything on your to-do list, to not feel like you're drowning in a sea of information. Well, this is exactly why Notion brought AI to the platform. Though it's still in its infancy, the Notion AI is already a powerful personal assistant for your productivity. This video is going to show you how you can get access, examples of what you can use it for, and what the future of Notion looks like in terms of AI. And just before we begin, this video is part 1 of a 4-part video series all about using the new Notion AI to increase your productivity and make money. So make sure you're subscribed and your notifications are turned on. And with that out of the way, let's get started. The first question is probably, what is Notion AI? Think of Notion AI as your own personal Jarvis. But instead of building Iron Man suits, it helps you increase your productivity and gives you access to nearly unlimited information. You can ask it for anything and it'll make it happen. Need help creating custom templates and formulas? No problem. Need help with copywriting for your business? Done. Want to repurpose content into blog posts? Consider it finished. The Notion AI is currently still in alpha and will be available for everyone who signs up to the waiting list through the first link in the description. When the Notion AI officially launches, it will be included in one of the paid Notion plans, but for the time being, it's totally free. So what can you do with the Notion AI? Well, before we can start talking to the AI, we first need to understand the language it speaks. You might already be familiar with ChatGPT. Notion AI and ChatGPT both uses GPT-3, an open source AI technology. GPT-3 is like a personalized Google, where you can ask a question and get the exact results you're looking for instead of a bunch of websites, links and ads. But just like with Google, you need to know how to ask the right questions to get the best results. And that's where prompt engineering comes in. Prompting is the art of asking the right questions in order to get the right information from the AI. It's like speaking the same language as the AI. And as AI becomes more mainstream, knowing how to effectively communicate with it will be like having a superpower. In part 2 of the series, I'll go over the basics of prompt engineering and show you how to build personalized prompts to get exactly what you want from the AI. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but wait, isn't Notion AI just like ChatGPT? Aren't they the same thing? Well, think of it this way. ChatGPT is like a library with endless bookshelves of information, while Notion AI is like a librarian who knows exactly where all the books are and can recommend you the best ones. So let's take a look at what our personal librarian can do. When you press / or use the shortcut Ctrl-J, you'll open up the AI Assist window. Here you'll see a bunch of different options which we'll cover in depth in the next video, but for now, let me just give you a quick overview. The standard prompt for asking the AI assistant for anything is the Write with AI option. And if you're already writing something and get stuck on a sentence, then use the Continue Writing option to get some more inspiration. You can use the Brainstorm Ideas option to come up with new and creative ideas. You can use the Summarize option to condense a whole Notion page into a single paragraph. And you can use the Find Action Items prompt, which will compile a quick checklist of things to do based on the content inside of the page. If you highlight text and click on the AI Assist button in the action menu, you can have it improve your writing, ask it to fix your spelling and grammar, translate your text into different languages, explain something further, make the text longer or shorter, find the action items, use it to simplify the language, or you can edit it further using the AI. And then there's also a bunch more writing related options, which will be for the next video. Now let's put the Notion AI to the test and take a look at a couple of examples. First, let's use the standard Write with AI prompt and ask our personal business coach to write about 5 different ways to make money with Notion. Pretty decent advice. Now let's say we're going to take the Notion template route. Let's highlight this text and ask the AI to make it longer so we can get more information about this. And then let's also ask the AI to give us actionable steps which we can then insert below the text. Perfect. It looks like we have to create some templates. So let's ask our AI assistant to come up with 10 different Notion template ideas for freelancers. Now I'm not actually going to build a Notion template with AI yet, that's a topic for another video, but the possibilities are endless. And you can ask your AI assistant anything about using Notion, creating Notion templates, Notion formulas, and even how you want that information to be displayed, whether it's in a bullet list, a simple table, etc. We've only just scratched the surface of what the Notion AI can do, and we'll be taking a deeper dive in the next video, so make sure you're subscribed. So, What does the future of Notion look like with AI? Well, this is where things get even more exciting. In the future, Notion AI has the potential to tailor its results to individual users based on how they use Notion, allowing the AI assistant to provide more relevant and useful responses based on your specific needs and preferences. Imagine being able to tell your virtual assistant what to do and how to manage your tasks and projects, all from a single Notion page. You will also be able to ask for any information scattered around your workspace, and within seconds, your personal librarian will be able to find any passage from any book. You'll be able to ask your AI assistant to schedule a meeting with Ben for tomorrow at 5 PM in your freelancing dashboard. Or maybe even tell it to reorganize your calendar in a more effective way and to create and schedule new tasks based on everything that still needs to be done. For businesses, you'll be able to feed the Notion AI internal data and information to create company blogs, newsletters, and social media posts in the voice and style of the company. You'll be able to develop personalized digital marketing plans for your business and industry, and you might also even be able to create personalized templates for specific departments. Imagine having a sales pitch template and telling the AI to fill in the blanks tailored to your specific industry and target audience. I mean, the possibilities are truly endless, and we haven't even talked about third-party integrations yet. Now, of course, everything is still just a speculation, but this is all totally possible. Your personal AI assistant will be able to provide you suggestions and tips for managing your projects more efficiently, as it will over time understand who you are, what you do, and how you use Notion. As Ivan Zhao, the co-founder of Notion, describes it, the software is awakened to understand you better and to truly augment you. It's no longer just words on a page where you save some to-do lists. It's no longer text, it's meaning. I don't know about you, but I'm excited for the future of Notion. Bringing AI to the platform opens up a world full of possibilities, and having your own personal AI assistant always ready to help you with whatever you need is an absolute game changer. In the next video, we'll dive deep into all the different Notion AI features, cover some amazing tips and tricks, as well as the basics of prompt engineering. So make sure you're subscribed and your notifications are turned on, because that's a video you don't want to miss. Make sure to give this video a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.